Hey, I'm Colin from Teradek, and I want to talk about the differences between MOTR.S MAX and MOTR.S. The MOTR.S MAX is really going to be your workhorse motor. It has 1.2 Newton-meter peak torque, and it has 275 teeth per second speed versus a much more compact motor. It's actually 20% lighter than the MOTR.S MAX. The MOTR.S has a 0.95 Newton-meter peak torque and has a little bit faster speed of 297 teeth per second. Both motors will work with our standard or compact iris bracket, and they both come with a 15 to 19 mil step down. So in most scenarios where you have a zoom lens, you could use the MOTR.S MAX on focus and on zoom, and then the MOTR.S on iris, where you don't need as much torque. When you're in a setup where you need a really compact solution, maybe a gimbal, a drone, a handheld that they want something really simple, you could use all MOTR.S's. So for large, stiff lenses, we would recommend having at least one MOTR.S MAX so that you have the torque needed for that particular lens. Now, the good thing about all of our motors is that they're fully compatible with all previous RT products. So these are our two new motors, really great solution to kind of pick and choose what you need for your setup.